was sleeping. So when I came off my exit to go home, they said I was asleep in the car, so they DUI.
On July 1st, 2022, rapper Dave East was brought into the station after being arrested for DUI after passing out in traffic. But things didn't calm down once he got there. While being processed, Dave East began arguing with officers, questioning their actions, and trying to act unfazed. Let's take a closer look.
All right, you can step out now.
Just got the belt off. All right.
Was he strapped? Was he searched?
Yeah, he was.
No, I wasn't searched.
Yeah,
bro.
you were searched, bro. I saw the cash. The cash in your pocket, I searched you. Don't play that game. I'm following you. I'm following you.
Oh, yeah, right through the store. Just stay right here, sir, please, while one of the officers
Was he searched?
Yeah, come on, bro. Don't play that.
Put him on, man. You knew you just started. It's your first day? Yeah, my first day. You started. Gotta be. Yeah. Why would I be cuffed in the back of your car and I wasn't searched?
You were searched.
I was just nah, he asked if I was searched.
All right, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you where you're gonna go.
Where I'm
You're not
going.
just gonna walk around.
I'm not walking around. I'm with you. So where am I
let's
going?
go.
Stand right over here.
So say that.
Stand right there. Turn around.
You act like you tough or something, bro.
You searching me.
Yeah, we're gonna search you again.
Search me again.
Okay, you guys have the file?
Not no.
We got it. Yeah, we're good.
Is there keys for it? That's in
I'm gonna tell you where you gotta go. You're a
You
clown.
have to call for the key for the. Got it. What do you need the keys for?
You want to hold them here?
Oh, you want something in here?
Yeah, just for the 20
Yeah.
observation.
So it's in there, and if you press the button on the right over there on the wall, it turns on the.
Can I get my phone call, bro?
You will in a little bit, man. Let's get through.
What's a little bit?
Let's get us through. Let's get through.
Can you tell me the time?
Let's get through what we gotta do.
This silver button?
Yeah. It turns
Y'all take y'all time with everything. I told you I might take my daughter to
Thank you,
camp.
man.
I need to make a call and let her know I'm not gonna be there.
All
'cause I'm
right,
here with y'all.
so you're
I make the call and then y'all can do whatever y'all want. Y'all can hold me as long as y'all want.
you were gonna take her.
Let me just make a phone call.
Drinking alcohol and
I was going to
everything?
meet her mother and take her to the camp.
All right, man.
That's what I was doing, bro.
With open,
That's cool with you?
with open containers of alcohol
You
in
know,
the car.
containers of alcohol. You
Yeah.
absolutely right, with nothing in it.
Yeah, there was champagne in the car.
Nothing in it.
Yeah, there was.
Oh,
There
all
was.
right.
All right.
The red solo cup, too.
Huh?
The red solo cup.
What about it?
Yeah, alcohol in it.
Champagne?
No, I didn't taste it.
I did.
All right. All right. I'm gonna take these off. You can relax your
You a
hands.
clown. You are. Your man right here, pretty cool, but you a clown.
Man.
Or
All right. So you can put your hand down at your side. You can relax. You relax.
You got the shoes on.
Relax.
That's the shoes that did the clowns.
These are clown shoes?
You never been to the circus?
All right.
That's some same shoes.
Where are we putting them?
Yeah, take it. Can I move?
He's good. He's good to go. We're gonna take. You're gonna take your shoes off, though.
Shoes are lazy. And that lazy.
No, don't put them on the table. Just leave them on the floor.
Shit.
It's all good. Don't worry about it.
Not the police tape. What y'all want me to do?
I'm just standing there. I'm gonna grab them. I gotta search.
This?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna hang myself, bro.
No, you gotta take them off.
You gonna put
You can put them right in your sneaker. You have any other jewelry?
Nah, not my cuff, baby.
Not good?
See something? You'd have seen my shit if I had something to say. All right, bet. When can I get that phone call?
There's a couple of things you have to do. Let me explain. For 20 minutes, we're gonna start a timer. We're gonna have you in here.
Just to sit.
We have to observe you. It's a standard procedure. You can't, no belching, no putting your fingers in your mouth, no yawning, no nothing. He's going to explain a little further. I got the file. Real quick though. Hold on. Where is that stainless steel from? I can't.
I'm gonna get ready.
Yeah, good. And then I'm just explaining to him how we're going to do that with the 20-minute observation. All that.
Don't even get there because you have to get to this first part.
We're not. That's why I don't want him to go into the. He made a couple of spontaneous utterances too.
Just have him. He's not in a room yet. He's got to be in a room.
Okay. All right. We could put him in there, Corey. I'm going to read you something here. All right. So, you've been arrested for driving while intoxicated for NJ Title 39:4-50. The law requires that you submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of the record will be made available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide breath samples, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of $2,000, installation of an interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. The penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense to which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse or delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit the breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide the sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with the refusal to submit breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. With that in mind, will you submit to the samples of your breath?
Good.
Okay.
Let me get my phone call.
Okay.
Like you said, I could get.
Okay.
It's either yes or a no.
Is it a yes or a no?
Yes, bro.
All right.
Tough guy.
So what's your name?
I didn't get my ID.
No, sir. What's your name?
D-A-V-I-D. David. B-R-E-W-S-T-E-R.
Brewster.
When y'all searched the car, y'all should have got my passport and all my info.
No,
What's his middle name?
Everything, bro.
Does he have a middle name?
Do you have a middle name, sir?
Lawrence. L-A-W.
Thank you, sir. What's your birthday?
R-E-N-C-E. June 3rd, 1988.
Your social security number.
I don't know.
Do you work and go to school?
That was actually a really good
Work or
movie.
go to school?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm signed to a label. I do movies.
So do you work for an
I
employer?
work.
What's the name of your employer?
Def Jam, Universal Music Group.
Def Jam Universal.
It's Universal Group Music Group and Def Jam's underneath it.
Music Group.
What's their address, sir?
I don't know.
What's their phone number, sir?
I don't know. Yo, can y'all switch him up?
What is
You're a clown.
What is your phone number?
It's funny. It's like the same book, different characters. They always pick one.
Yeah.
iMessage. You have an Apple phone?
No.
Apple's
Yeah, you have a droid? Ew.
Yeah.
Ew, you have a droid?
Yeah.
Oh.
They say we're ahead of the game.
Yeah. Pretty sure you're not. I'm pretty sure it's
Hey,
the
Corey,
opposite.
just forget it.
What do you
At this
have?
point,
What do you-
forget it.
You probably don't even have an iPad. You have what's that thing with Samsung freaking Fire tablet? Yeah. Oh, you got a Fire tablet? Oh. That's horrible.
Fire tablet. Got on Prime Day.
You got it on Prime Day? Oh. No wonder you don't like it. I wouldn't like you either if I found out you got a droid. I would not like you just based on having a droid.
I don't know what I did this guy.
Bro, there's always the same. Look, at the end of the day, it's the same book, different characters. There's always one guy that gets picked that they hate. It's usually me. I'm just surprised it's not me. It's usually me. So, sorry, I'm gonna let you go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna go ahead and let you take this out.
That's fine. I offered him his keys. I offered him a phone call.
Don't worry about it. There's nothing you can do. There's always one. There's always someone who's gets picked. So that's not me.
Not right now.
What time?
He's putting his fingers in his mouth.
Yo, how does it work with body cameras and
I'm gonna put mine there and point it that way.
never thought of that.
Where's the box?
Well, you could have been dead, stopped, and asleep behind the wheel at the traffic light. And that's the scary thing.
Problem was we were pulling up, we saw this traffic, and somebody's like, "Oh, I called 911 because there's somebody in the car," and she was riding her bike, and then
Did you wake him up?
Vollmer did. He banged on the window, and the guy woke up and rolled down the window like this much, and you could smell the booze coming out of the car. I was five
You
feet.
can smell. You can smell it now when you open up that door.
Oh
You
yeah.
can smell.
Oh yeah.
You have the
Oh yeah.
whiff.
I smelled it when he stepped out of the car. Originally.
Where are the gloves at? Oh,
I think
Here, you got it. next
sorry, I
to-
had practice. Keep watching.
What's that? Not now.
It hasn't been, we haven't done the test yet. Once the test is complete, you can make all the calls you want. Normally, we don't let you use your phone. You're not, per policy, you're not allowed to use your cell phone. I will allow you to use your cell phone because it's the easiest way for you to get in touch with whoever you got to get in touch with. But per policy, we're not supposed to. Hopefully, I don't get suspended, but Whenever.
Right this way, sir. Yeah, see.
Once this is complete, you can make any call you need to make.
Well, I'm not trying to agitate you, bro.
You're not hesitating.
Like you almost.
I'm not bothered at all. I just want you to know that my job is simply to make sure they don't violate your rights.
You know where I'm at. That's all.
And I totally understand that.
All I'm trying to do.
I understand that. I just want you to know that my job is to make sure they don't violate your rights in any way, shape, or form. That is why I'm here. I don't have to be here. I'm here just for that.
So they don't violate my rights?
Yeah, so that, well, myself included also, as well as them. That's my job. Not that they would if I wasn't here, it's just, there's systems in place to make sure that does not happen. Believe it or not, New Jersey's ahead of the game when it comes to that kind of stuff, compliance, law enforcement compliance. Our department's actually accredited. Nationally accredited. We get here, from what I spoke to the officer, he stated that he did offer you a phone call. Just so you know, I'm not looking at you, I'm just watching this. I want you to feel disrespecting you.
Nobody offered me a phone call.
Okay, well then I'll have to have a conversation with him about that.
Why would they lie like that?
I don't know, and that's a conversation.
Because I wouldn't be asking for the phone call right now if I got offered a phone call. I'd have told my girl.
Again, you're gonna take a deep breath, blow into the mouthpiece, blow into the continuous breath, keep blowing.
Same thing?
Stop, same thing. Deep breath and blow. Blow, 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 blow. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going and stop. So this is gonna print something out. Hopefully everything's good. As long as everything's good, we don't have to do the test again. Alright, so let him make calls. I gotta go. Look, let him make the calls he's gonna make. I gotta go up front and put these numbers in the machine.
Wow.
Sir, what's the number? It's not,
I just tried that, bro.
just tell me, I'm gonna try.
Cut off. The jail and Alpine.
No, it's not.
It's not a jail.
You're not going to jail.
I was sleeping, so when I came off my exit to go home, they said I was asleep in the car, so they DUI. Or DWI, whatever. They just checked my breath in here. No, they ain't tell me what my breath came back as. I did all they little tests. They embarrassed me, made me do mad tests in the middle of the street, mad cars riding by, and then they made me do all the tests and then say you under arrest. Then they got me here and they just did the breath test. I don't know what the breath came back as, but I'm chilling. Thank y'all.
You want?
You, if you want for right now, yeah, just hang tight.
Are we going back?
We're going to be out of here in a few minutes. Once he's done taking care of a few things.
Give me a few minutes, man. All right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You need to make any other phone calls? Ready?
Oh, I fucked up. Not with the test. I fucked up. You're not gonna be happy. You guys gotta still go get the stuff. The guy went over there and I forgot to get all the stuff that you gotta fill out here.
I don't have the
It was
fob
my
anymore.
brother. It was my brother.
Corey, you have the phone? Oh, you do.
Oh wait,
That's good, bad.
that's the limit.
So I'm good.
You're the limit. At the limit.
What is the limit mean?
0.08. But you're borderline, so that's actually, believe it or not, it is good in a way. If you speak to an attorney, he'll tell you it's not bad. He'll tell you it's not the best, but it's not bad is what he'll tell you.
Okay, just so you know, your phones are right here. We're going to bring everything back with us.
My truck has to be in part of
It's the law, dude. It's not, it's the law. We're not just holding your truck for 12 hours.
What's the law?
It's called John's Law. The reason being is somebody was arrested a long time ago for driving under the influence. They got their car back right after they were released, and they went and killed somebody because they were still drunk. So that's why the law reads you have to have a car back for 12 hours. You get it today, man. It was early enough. You can get it today. No one gets it back the same day. All right.
All right.
In the end, Dave East was lucky. Despite his heated attitude and wild behavior during booking, he blew just a 0.08 on the breathalyzer, right at the legal limit. Had it been even a point higher, he might have been spending the night in jail instead of walking free. All individuals shown are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before I take your car keys next. And if you want more rapper moments caught on Bodycam, check out Playboy Cardi's traffic stop and rapper Huncho suspended license video here.